How to add Android Auto to your Acura TL years 2015 to 2020, as shown on the Acura MDX. The Acura TL and the Acura MDX have identical installation processes.
In this video, Apple CarPlay.
Press and hold the back button, press enter, and you're going to see the Apple CarPlay on the screen. Control with the joystick, you got all the apps, Google Maps over here, you got Waze, Tuner Radio, and all the other apps. You got many pages.
In this video, Android Auto.
Press and hold the back button, select with the joystick Apple CarPlay Android Auto, hit enter, and there you go. You got your Android Auto, all control with the factory joystick, just like 100% original. You can change all the features, go into the audio, open the menu by pushing left, closing by pushing right, going back to the maps. 100% original Android Auto.
In this video, HDMI Mirroring.
HDMI Mirroring demo. Press and hold the back button, go on to HDMI, select it, hit enter, and there you go. You have your Netflix. It says now playing on your TV, and you have the Netflix on the screen, or you can mirror the entire phone. Whatever you see on your phone will show here, iPhone and Android.
This video is a two-part video, part 1 operation of the interface, part 2 installation of the interface. NavTool established 2002. See description below the video for product information. Must expand description section if watching this video on mobile device. This is a demo of iPhone Android smartphone mirroring with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto plus 4 camera inputs. Interface compatible with Honda and Acura vehicles, dual or single screen with or without factory joystick. This interface does not replace factory radio or factory screen. This interface enhances the factory screen with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, HDMI mirroring, and extra cameras. All factory features work as before. This interface is a see-through. The vehicle does not detect that the interface is installed in the car. This product is 100% designed and manufactured in the USA. Please support American jobs. This product is 100% automotive-grade product.
Thank you for watching. Please click the logo on the left-hand side to subscribe to the channel. Subscriptions work on smartphones, tablets, and computers. Please like the video and leave a comment. Please click the link on the right-hand side to watch the full video.